Good morning, everybody. So today, just talking about Motoz Tractionator ITs. I've got the front and this rear, which is actually fairly new. It's got about 100 or a little more than 100 miles on it. And we've got my son's bike, which has my old PKC 80 on it from my bike that is, in my opinion, a horrible front tire. So we've got fresh tire. Fresh tire, courtesy Rocky Mountain ATV. Gonna be putting that on. Alright, after much pain and too much discontent, we got that front tire on there, and hopefully it's balanced.